Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 BMW i7 M70 in just 5 minutes. Now, the starting price for your entry-level i7 in 2025 is going to run you about $107,000 starting. With all the bells and whistles like the one we got, it's going to be about $170,000. Now, let's not get it misconstrued. Just because you can pop the hood on this car does not mean that there's an engine under this thing, because this is a pure electric car producing 650 horsepower and 749 pound-feet of torque, and per full charge, you get about 239 miles of range. Now, we all know this TV is one of the many star attractions of this whip, but we even got a panoramic roof above that with ambient lighting integrated in it. Now, these seats might not look that legendary, but I promise you, these joints are beyond comfortable, and they even have massaging in them with 9 different types of massages, 3 different levels of intensity, 2 different types of speeds. Oh yeah, did I mention they're even heated and cooled? Not only do you got keyless entry for both front doors, but you also got a button to open your door automatically, but if you're old-fashioned, you can just do it the good old-fashioned way. Now, there's 4 ways to get in and out of this Beamer, because this ain't no regular joint. You can press a button to automatically open or close your door, do it through the infotainment screen, press a button in case you want to be real regular, or pull a lever in case of electronic failure, or if you just like doing things yourself. Now, we all know this paint job looks good, but if you want to make your paint look just as good, make sure you support our car wash products at Barrett's Automotive by clicking the link below in the description. We got a Bowers & Wilkins sound system in this joint that goes crazy, and we even got speakers integrated in all the headrests of this car that fully let you immerse yourself into a 3D intensity and 4D bass experience. So not only are your seat adjusters crystallized in here along with your ambient lighting, but we also got a crystallized gear shifter, mouse, volume controls, and engine start-stop button. We got a wireless phone charger, 2 individual cup holders behind retractable doors, and a leather-wrapped armrest that can open and close individually or collectively with an abundant amount of space, and 3 chargers. This is the only car I've ever been in that makes hitting the hazard button something special. Not only do we got some legendary carbon fiber stretched across the entire dash, it's also stretched across the entire center console and on the headrest. To close and open the blinds in this car, all you gotta do is press a button. Not only do we got crystallized daytime running lights, but we also got LED headlights and tail lights to match. On the front bumper, we got functional side air intakes, and on the bottom of the front bumper as well, along with a front grille that illuminates at nighttime. We got an M badge on the side of the car, front of the car, behind the car, and on the rims and brake calipers of this car. You can both open and close your doors in this car simultaneously, individually, or collectively, however you want, whenever you want. Not only do we got an abundant amount of trunk space, but we also got a tire repair kit and compressor right behind the trap door, hanger hooks, tie-down straps, a glow-in-the-dark handle in case you or anybody else ever gets stuck in this thing, and underground floor storage. You see that product? Click that link below in the description and get yours right now. To open your trunk, you can do it through the key fob, but you can't close it through the key fob, but you can press this button and then press another button up under that thing to close it. Even at my height of 6'10", I got abundant leg room, so much so I can even straighten them kneecaps, and abundant headroom to match. Now, these back seats are designed just like the front seats. The only difference is these joints got pillows, and they can recline just like the front seats, because you are meant to get fully chauffeured in the back of this thing. And you can do it right through your infotainment screen to control things such as your massaging seats with 9 different types of massages, your music, volume, retractable TV, your blinds, ambient lighting, climate controls, and you can even dial somebody's number right here from the rear infotainment screens and call from back here. How legendary is that? We got 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles an hour. Now, your infotainment screen looks just as good as your heads-up display and digital gauge cluster, but it also offers things such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, your charging details, climate controls, a driver recorder, live vehicle content that displays your BMW's adaptive content, tire pressure, trip data, along with ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from, and you can even control all of your reading lights in this car, both individually or collectively, whenever you want. We got an Alcantara wrap roof liner, B-pillars, and sun visors that extend. Now, you do get a few other amenities while you're sitting in the back of this thing, like a leather kangaroo pouch for storage behind the driver's seat, 2 USB-C chargers behind the trap door, a pop-up middle headrest, 2 reading lights, 2 air vents on the side, and 2 more additional vents in the middle with a storage space beneath that, an armrest with 2 retractable cup holders, a wireless phone charger, big storage space in that thing, and 2 more additional chargers as well. This joint is luxurious, ultra comfortable with these seats in both the driver and in the back in case you want to get chauffeured. I don't care what seat you sit up in this joint, and it looks damn good. This 2-tone paint job is an eyeball snatcher, man. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 BMW i7 M70 in just 5 minutes.